Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. So in the last class we understand what is map and its types. Now we are going to understand the rest of the chapter. After understanding types of maps, let's move forward to understand the components of maps. There are three components of maps: distance, direction and symbols. So first one is distance. So map is a drawing which reduces the entire world in a small sheet of paper. It is reduced by a scale. This reduction is done very carefully so that distance between the place is real. So we need to understand what is scale and what its function in map. Scale is a ratio. Here is given. A scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. So what scale? It is a reduction of actual place distance into a small distance, such as if Delhi to Kanyakumari is 3000 kilometers, and in the scale, if in the map there is given only 30 centimeter, that means 30 centimeter is equal to 3000 kilometers. So in scale has two types. One is small scale and another is large scale. Small scale is used for large area such as continent, countries, states, and its 1 centimeter is equal to maybe 500 kilometer or 1000 kilometer. And a large scale, it is used for small areas such as village, town, or a particular small place. So here's 1 centimeter is equal to maybe 100 meters or 500 meters or 50 meters, like this. In the small scale we can gather many information. Now direction. In every map we can see direction. So let me understand through this one. Okay, so this is called direction. Each map, the top part of the map is north, the down part of the map is, the lower part of the map is south, the right is east, and the left is west. This is called cardinal points. These north, south, east, west together called its cardinal points. Another one is intermediate direction. There are four intermediate direction also. This north to east, this mid place is called northeast. East to south, I mean south to east is southeast. This south to west is southwest, and north to west is northwest. This is called intermediate direction. And also we can get the direction through compass. Compass always, the main scale of the compass is always lies on north to south. We can understand the direction through compass. Symbols. Now symbols is very important to understand which things are lying in it. So it is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and the size of particular place or buildings or roads. So we can understand through some symbols. So there are some symbols which is internationally agreemented regarding the use of these symbols. These are called conventional symbols. The conventional symbols we can find here: railways, broad railways, gauge station, metro gauge. These are the symbols. Now road symbols are here, boundary symbols are there, river, well, tank, canal, bridge, these are here. So there are so many symbols are there. It is internationally agreemented. In any country, if they draw a map, this type of symbol you can find, and through this symbol you will understand these things here written on these things, you can understand. And also symbols has various, such as blue color, it will give the meaning of watery place. Yellow color, it will give the meaning of plateaus. Green means used for plains. Now sketch. A sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Sketch, these are the sketches. It is spot observation so that you can understand the spot. This is called sketch. This is not scale, but these are the sketch. Through sketch you can understand then where is the road is, and mostly sketches are used in large scale map, such as if you draw a map of your house, then you can sketch your room or your corridor. So many things you can sketch over there. Now plan. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. This is what a plan is, a drawing of a small area on a large scale. Plan is called a drawing of small area on a large scale. It gives you lots of information. So now we understand the chapter map. What is map? What are the types of maps? Now the components of maps also we understand. So this is our entire chapter. In the next class I will give you all the question answers and exercises. Read the chapter nicely, and okay, thank you, nothing else.